Now, this system is built on the Go High Level CRM. If you're a Go High Level user and you're not in the mortgage business, this video is also for you. You can take a look at this video, see how to build a really nice custom power dialer for you and your business. So once you're logged into the system, we're going to click on automations. We're going to go up here, create workflow. We're going to start from scratch. The first thing that we need to do, we need to create an action for us to put this entire list. So we're going to have a full list of people that we need to call, whether it's a realtor or a leads or past clients. We're going to take that list and we're going to put them into this automation. So all we're going to do here is we're going to add a trigger, and this trigger is going to put these contact lists into this automation. We're going to do that by adding a tag. So we're going to click add tag, put the tag here, tag added. When a tag is added, we're going to say power dialer. All right, we're going to click save here. Okay, so all we did here was when we tag a contact or tag a list, everyone that's in that list or anyone that we tag is going to go into this automation. And the action that we're going to do is we're going to click on manual. We're going to find manual call. Just search manual call. Here's a manual text, and this is the one we want here, manual action to call. Click here, we're gonna click save. Now we're gonna label this power dialer. Power dialer, create list. Any list that you have, we can put it into here and it's gonna create a list and it's gonna create a manual call to call everyone in that list. So we're gonna go ahead and click save here and we're going to publish. All right, so the next thing we need to do, we need to create another automation that says, hey, when I'm making these calls, if they don't answer or if it goes to their voicemail, then I want a action to say, hey, I want to leave a recorded message that I've already pre-recorded, or I want to send them a text message, or I want to send them an email, or maybe if they don't answer, then I want to add them back to the call list again to call number 2. We're going to go back and we're going to create a new automation. Before we do that, we're going to create a folder and we're going to call it power dialer just to stay organized. Power dialer folder. And then we're going to put this automation that we just created into this folder by going click on this 3 dots, click on move to folder, and we're going to put it in the power dialer folder. Okay, now we're going to go into that folder, click create workflow. We're going to create a new workflow from scratch. Now the trigger is going to be the outbound call. So we're going to go in and find the outbound call. So we're going to click on call status, search for call status, click here, and then we're going to filter this call status. So the first filter is going to be the call direction. This is going to be for outbound phone calls. Click on outbound phone call. We're going to add another filter and we're going to say for the in workflow. So we want the workflow of the power dialer. So we're going to search for power dialer that we just created. And then we're also going to say the call status. We're going to filter by call status. So the call status, we're going to say if it was busy or if it was no answer or if it went to voicemail. So we're going to click save here. So what this is saying, when we make this outbound call, if that phone's busy, if it goes to voicemail, or if there's no answer, then we're going to tell it to do multiple different things. I'm going to click save. We're going to name this automation no answer, busy, and voicemail. So now that we've created the trigger for this status of the call, we're going to click create. We're going to start creating action. The first action that we want to do is maybe we want to send them a voicemail. So we're going to find the voicemail, click on voicemail. Here's where you would record your voicemail on your phone. I did another video in the training that you can watch on how to record voicemails and upload them into the Go High Level platform. So you can do that here. I'm going to click cancel so you can add the voicemail. The next thing we want to do is maybe we want to send them an SMS. We're going to click on SMS. The SMS, we're going to click on this custom values. We're going to find the borrower's first name, contact, first name, and we're just going to go hi, contact first name. This is back user first name. Now we're going to click save. Okay, so it's SMS. Immediately once that call status gets triggered, an SMS will go out. Maybe you don't want this SMS to go out right away. So in between, you can say, hey, I want to wait. And maybe you want to wait like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm going to say wait 3 minutes. Click save. It's going to wait 3 minutes and then it's going to send an SMS. Now, if you want, you can also follow up with an email. We're going to click on email from user, full name, from email. It's going to be user, email address, and then the subject. Sorry, I missed you. You can put the message that you want to say to that contact. contact, first name. You would want to leave your signature after you put the message in. So we're going to go back, go to user, put in your signature here. So you put your signature, then you put your message here. I'm going to click save. Boom. Okay, so now if they don't pick up, if we don't talk to them, they're going to go through this sequence. So we're going to go ahead and click save, and we're going to click publish. Click save here. We're going to go back and we're going to go to the opportunities. We're going to create a pipeline. So we're going to click on opportunities. We're going to go up here to pipelines, and we're going to create a pipeline. This pipeline is going to be called Power Dialer. Okay, so for this first stage, we're going to label this no answer, and you can change these stages or you can create a different workflow for these stages. We're just going to create a couple of these so you can see what's happening and how to use this Power Dialer. We're going to say no answer. The second one is going to be contacted. This third one is going to be booked appointment. All right, so now we have 3 different stages. This first one is no answer. The second one is contacted. The third one is if they contacted them and you were able to book an appointment. So we're going to go ahead and click save. So now we have these 3 different stages in this pipeline. So we're going to go back to the automation that we created, go to the Power Dialer, and we're going to go to the no answer, busy, voicemail. Remember, the call status is busy, voicemail, or no answer. So we're going to add this person to that pipeline. So we're going to click on opportunity, create update pipeline. We're going to pick the pipeline, Power Dialer, and we're going to pick the no answer. And then the name, we're going to say contact full name. So now we have a running list of anyone that this dialer, this person that made the calls, was not able to get in touch with or was not able to talk to. So all of those people are going to go into a list of who they were not able to get in touch with. We're going to go ahead and click save now, and then we're going to go back. So you could also create a third workflow for the people that you were able to get in touch with. So we're going to go here and click on call status, add filter. We're going to say call direction, outgoing, add filter. And we're going to say in workflow, and this is the Power Dialer. We're also going to say the call status. And we're going to say call status was completed. Click save. We're going to add this person if it was completed. We're going to say contacted. We're going to go opportunity, and then we're going to click on pipeline, Power Dialer. We're going to say contacted, and the first name. We're going to click full name. Click save. If the call was completed, if the dialer was able to talk to that person, it's going to go into that list of saying, hey, we had a conversation. So now I'm going to show you what happens to create this Power Dialer. How do we get this into the workflow? So we're going to go to our contacts. Right now I just have 2 fake contacts in the system. What you want to do is you want to find your list. You can filter your list. I have another video that you can watch on how to filter your list, how to find all your pre-approved buyers, how to find all your realtors, any kind of list that you want to build, segregate your database. Maybe you want to call all your veterans, everyone that's a veteran, you can call them. You're going to get your list. And once you have your list, you're going to go click on all. We're going to go up here. We're going to add a tag to all of these contacts. We're going to name this action. So let's name it Power Dialer. And let's say you're calling your pre-approved buyers. You're going to label it pre-approved buyers. Go to tags. And now we're going to search for Power Dialer. Tag it. Okay, we got the tag there. We're going to click add tag. Okay, once that tag is there, we go to our conversations. In order to start calling these people, we're going to click on conversations. We're going to go up here to manual actions. So now you have your calling list. Once you have your calling list, you can go up here and click on start. Now, before you click start, you would have already set up a phone number. You would have set up your entire phone system. And I have a video for setting up your phone system, getting all that dialed for you. You can also port your number over. If you have an existing office line, you can port your number into the Dream Big CRM. I use Dream Big CRM for my complete phone system. I don't have a separate phone system. It's my phone system. It's my CRM. It's everything. Once you have your list, you're going to click on start. And then it's going to start calling each person. If they don't answer, you would just click no answer. Or if it went to the voicemail, you would click voicemail. And it's going to automatically dial that next contact so that you can make lots of phone calls fast and get through a large list in a short amount of time. So this is the Power Dialer. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Remember, we have weekly phone calls. If you want to learn how to use Go High Level and you're in the mortgage business, you're at the right place. You can use our system or you can use your own system. We'll teach you, we'll help you in this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.